In this deep dive, we're unpacking a massive logistics project that's redefining how food moves globally, but the real story is what happens when you try to automate it with a single brain. I find it fascinating how a seemingly simple task like moving egg pallets forces us to confront the limits of current AI, which is exactly why we need to look beyond one model. We'll explore the surprising tension between rigid automation and the messy reality of a warehouse floor, and then see how a multi-model approach solves problems that a single algorithm simply cannot handle. Let's start with the client's ambitious goal to set a new global standard. Today, I'm excited to share a truly innovative project for a major food industry client. For the first time, we've built an application where, while a KUKA AMR robot handles intra-logistics, specifically transporting egg pallets and packaging, we've expanded this with our proprietary fleet management system for palletizing and robot arm for palletizing and depalletizing these delicate eggs. We started by digitally visualizing the entire station concept using KUKA Sim software. This allowed the client to see a perfect to refine the design together before a single physical part is built. At the heart of the operation is KUKA A Flit Mar. Blurt software and KUKA Operator Wins Go. It runs in parallel with our custom operator interface, letting you manage the entire process from a clear dashboard without needing to dive into the complex technical details. The engineering challenge here was designing custom underneath the chain belt. Standard conveyors are supported along their entire length, but for this delicate product, our sport to car daft modern. But for this delicate product, we had to remove the central support and move the spides joint solution. Blank's challenges. Despite these custom challenges, capable of moving 1.5 tons, weighing up to 1.5 tons, we need you blind pallet. The full application speed automation and gentle handling required for such a fragile product. So while that pallet moving system was a triumph of execution, it quickly revealed that intelligence isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Intelligence isn't a one-size-fits-all different models, each bringing unique strengths to the work. Some tasks demand deep reasoning, while others require speed, lower costs, domain expertise, or stronger data control. Frontier models can be fine-tuned on company data to excel at specialized work. They can also run helping keep sensitive data secure, while let you run on-premises, using latency for high-volumes your tasks. Waldo, a special system of models approach trained on NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Nano, gathers support tickets, Slack, and Tron to AI gathers context across sources like support tickets and survey data. With that context, or hand off to a frontier reasoning model for deeper analysis. Left approach a question was Waldo delivers all the answer in one shot. Back to response is fast. And if the question is more complex, Waldo sends the task to a front model that reasons deeper. It can produce structured analysis canalter receives the right context up front, evidence and segment breakdowns more efficiently. Because the fraction frying the rancher, this routing lets glean search enterprise WinX 10 times faster. This translates to 50% lower tokens, with no reduction in answer quality. In a system of models, the client, frontier, and open models work together to make your agent smarter, faster, and more efficient. My proves you don't need a single giant brain to solve every breakthrough here. It proves you don't need a single giant brain to solve every problem, but rather a smart team where each member plays to their specific strengths. So that's everything for now. Thanks for sticking around to see the tech news. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a story. I'll catch you in the next one.